Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. We have an exciting video today. I'm super excited. Those of you who've been following my journey to become debt free might notice here the 2019 debt snowball-ish plan that I have. And I can link it if you don't. These are pretty much my credit cards or debts that I have. My first accomplishment for my debt snowball journey in becoming debt free was my Frontier card. I did have $79 on that card, and my plan was to pay it off by January 2019, and which I absolutely did. Now I'm going to insert a clip here.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Priceline and Frontier is actually the same creditor, so that's why you see Priceline here. But here's Frontier. We did it, guys.
At 80 balance, so I am super excited. I hope you guys are succeeding in your journey. Now, in my video, my debt free snowball, I did show these that I found off of the internet, and that I think that having visuals, and I might even hang them up in front of my desk area here just to keep me motivated. So I am going to take not the marker that matches, but I'm going to take this orange marker, and I am going to basically, this might be a little long, so I'll have to speed it up, but I am going to color this in because this thing is paid off. We have a 0 balance on this card, and I'm sorry for those of you who find it annoying that it's not filled in 100%, but for me, just being able to even do this is accomplished our first debt. So I'm going to highlight this one because girl is gone. I'm going to put a check. Oh, well, that didn't really help. Let's get this one. And we are done. And if that isn't success, I don't know what is. This is going to be a short video. My next goal in February, and I'll link my budget with me for my paycheck 1. I talk a little bit about it, but it is capital 1. So this one might be a little harder for you guys to see. So I did this with just my marker, my capital 1. This is my capital 1 credit card. I've sectioned these off into week 1. What I'm going to do is color them in each paycheck that I pay on it, which I did do the first paycheck, so I'm actually going to go ahead and complete that here. That was paid. And my goal is to have capital 1 paid off by the end of February. So we have 2 more weeks to go, and hopefully I'll be coming back with another credit card debt update for you guys. And that's it. It's a very small, short, sweet video, but it is an accomplishment, and I am super excited. So again, I'm gonna send as many love and motivation for everybody to be able to make this accomplishment, whether it's $20, $50, $1,000, $10,000. An accomplishment in any debt paying off is beautiful. It's wonderful. So that's all I have for you guys. I want to say thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. See you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.